Well, tonight, all eyes are in Florida as Hurricane Milton is expected to make landfall as a major hurricane in just about 30 hours. Good evening, and thank you so much for joining us here on CBS 19 News at 5. I'm Jesus Martinez. It's a site known all too well for Floridians. About 2 weeks ago, Hurricane Helene winds and catastrophic flooding to not only Florida, but states like Tennessee, the Carolinas, and even Georgia. Linemen from East Texas have been on the ground helping restore power for days now. Tom Trimble with Encore says his team has now received the call to get ready to help with Milton's aftermath.
Now that Milton is growing in the Gulf right now and it's headed right towards Florida, our mutual assistance partners over there have called us. So we have basically asked those contractors when they finished what they've done, and I think most of them have headed down to stage right outside the north side of Florida.
And Trimble adds that East Texas has always received the help they needed when we needed it, and they're happy to return the favor while they are able to.